ஏதோ ஸ்கூலில் கிளாஸ் ஏதோ ஸ்கூலில் கிளாஸ் எடுக்கும்போது எல்லாம் பின்னாடி போய் உட்காந்துருக்கீங்க. Okay, morning guys. Thank you all for taking the time out on a Sunday morning, that too very early, to make it here for this small get together that we thought we should have. It's been a while since all of us have met together. Yeah, we'll take this opportunity to firstly thank Phoenix Pro Biking for allowing us the space to conduct it here. We are using it as an excuse, but what we'll be doing is unveiling our t-shirt. For us is a proud moment. Just a quick recap for the guys who are not aware. I mean, most of you are, but for those who don't know, we started this group. Initially it was just 4 members. We formed the group, and it's been a process. It's taken a while to get here. So what we have is Chennai Renegades. The CR is basically a proper riding group, which means if you're a newbie, it'll take you some time to get into this group. We want to make it a process. We want to streamline it, which is why we have a feeder group called the RM, which is what most of you guys are a part of. So initially you start off with the RM, you join a few rides, and we have criteria. Now the reason we do this, it's not because we want to maintain eliteness or want to keep the crowd small. That is not the intention. The intention is that it gives both an opportunity, how well you're fitting with us, and it gives you an opportunity to see if this is the group for you or not. It works both ways. So the way we run the groups more or less is the same. The way RM runs and the way CR runs is more or less the same. The ideology, the thought process, everything remains the same. Now as a group, our focus again has always been safety first. We are very, very serious about safety. Discipline again plays a very major role, both personal and enforced, because end of the day, you reaching home safely is the prime motive of conducting a ride at all. So having said that, I'll hand over Bart. Bart will just talk about what we have done in the past. And
hey, hi guys, welcome. As Santosh already covered about what is Chennai Renegades, what is RM, I'm not going to go detail. What is our plans? Why Chennai Renegades? Basically, we don't want to start a group. That's the idea. We started the group. We just want to go ride whenever we want. We have time, like 4 members, 5 members. Okay, that's how we started. We want to develop riders. That's where the ideology starts. We want to create a platform so that, people learn and then they do a proper quality riding. Spread this to the community. That's where the whole idea is. It's not about the numbers. It's all about the quality riders where we develop. So from now, you will see consistent rides, monthly rides for breakfast and long rides wherever it is possible. And we have already developed, the next set of people who will planning rides, conducting rides, financial aspects, everything we have developed already people. So whatever you feel, all these days you've been riding with us, you'll also feel in the upcoming rides. So rides will be on every month almost. It's a vision about, Chennai Renegades. As I said, we wanted to develop quality riders. I'll tell you one more thing, group ride is not very easy. One thing is for sure, is a safety. It is somebody, where I missed that point 1 second, somebody is seeing that. It actually happened to me many times, and that's where the group riding is very strong. But definitely we need to adjust it. Some people may be comfortable with the speed or the riding style or the place we go or the trekking we do, whatever it is, it cannot be 100%. Okay, because we are all different mindset, we all come from a different platform. But somewhere we try to balance it. That's where the group ride comes in. Yeah, that's the reason, we are very transparent about after every ride. We wanted to talk to you, we want to hear you very openly and then, get all your feedback, and then we brainstorm in terms of what sort of action we have to do, not the response. And whatever response we do, it is actions upon. That's how we work. We want to keep it very simple. Democracy, straight on the table, transparency. So we're going to unveil the t-shirt. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yellow and the black combination is the deadly combination. Someone can turn back, maybe.
All can turn around.
Yeah, the fonts are fantastic. Big round of applause for that.
hey, that I should mention now, Ram. And for those who are missing the point, the CR, this is CR in the center also. And it's in the shape of an infinity, symbolizing that we'll ride forever. So that is the idea. So basically a lot of thought has gone into this. A lot of thought, lot of time, lot of effort. Oh, we are quite...
Certainly the heart and soul of our store. It's because of her that I think all of you all are here today. I would say that way rather than it's because of us or anyone. Good morning, everyone. We're very happy and grateful that we've been able to get all of you here together. Not a small number that I see over here. It's a big number, that goes to show that how enthusiastic and how passionate all of you are about riding. People say riding is, taking a bike and just leaving, but I feel it's much more than that. Once you put on your gears,
You sit on the bike, I think you live a different life ahead. Is when you sit on that, you accelerate the throttle. It's something different that all of us feel. That's the pleasure that we get when we see all of you at our store over here. It's really good to see that like-minded people sharing the same passion, getting together. It's much more than that. Sales is an after part of all these things. Main thing is that we share a common passion. So we're very happy and grateful that all of you all are here. And if there's anywhere that you see our store where we can improve to support you all better, please do let us know. We are open to all suggestions. We're still at a growing stage. We're only about 2 years old. And you guys are much, much, much more experienced than all of us in this thing. Very, very happy that all of you are here today. Thank you, everyone.
Well, thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. This is not much about riding. It's a CR Chennai Renegades. Just a meet and greet session because it's hot summer. Our rides are going to be after the summer, maybe from June first week. Happy and safe riding. All the best. Take care. Cheers.